Guys, we've got a serious situation here. This little bird is in big trouble. He looks weak, struggling to stay alert, and there's something moving under his skin. Yep, maggots' flesh-eating larvae have burrowed deep inside his body, feeding on him from the inside out. It's painful, it's brutal, and if we don't act fast, he might not make it. But today, we're going to change that. Let's save this little guy. First things first, we need to be extremely careful. Birds are fragile, and any unnecessary stress could make things worse. You see that swollen bump? That's where the maggots are hiding, eating away at his tissue. All right, let's get to work. All right, here we go. We have to remove the maggots completely, leaving any behind could cause serious infection. Grabbing it right at the opening, and boom, that's one out. Ooh, look at that thing. This little monster has been feeding off our poor bird, draining his strength day by day. No wonder he's been struggling. Wait a second, there's another one. These parasites don't come alone. They lay eggs, hatch, and multiply inside their host. That's why we need to make sure we get every single one out. Here we go again. Pulling, and boom. Another one is gone. This is insane. Now that the maggots are out, it's time for damage control. We're flushing the wound with antiseptic to get rid of any bacteria and prevent infection. This is super important for his recovery. Look at him, he's already looking more relaxed. Now, let's help him regain some strength. When birds go through something like this, they lose a lot of energy, so getting him hydrated and fed is crucial. A little water, some soft food, and look at that, he's drinking. That's a really good sign. And just like that, he's back on his feet. It's incredible how a little care and patience can completely turn things around. In just a few days, he'll be strong enough to return to the wild. This is why animal rescues matter. A small act of kindness can literally save a life. If you love these rescue stories and want to see more, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep making a difference together. See you in the next one. Welcome to the world of backyard chickens. These incredible birds don't just provide fresh eggs, they're also smart, social, and fun to raise. But what does a day in their life really look like? Let's find out. First up, housing. A clean, spacious coop is a must. Chickens love roaming, scratching the ground, and dust bathing to keep their feathers healthy. And a comfy nesting box? That's where the magic happens. Now let's talk about food. A good diet keeps them happy and lays the best eggs. Chickens eat a mix of grains, fresh greens, and protein-packed treats like mealworms. And trust me, they get super excited at feeding time. Did you know chickens have a social hierarchy? That's right. They establish a pecking order where dominant hens lead the group. It's all part of their natural behavior. And here's the best part: fresh eggs. Most hens lay 1 egg per day, and collecting them is always exciting. These eggs are healthier, tastier, and packed with nutrients. Raising chickens isn't just about eggs, it's about connecting with nature and enjoying the simple joys of farm life. If you love learning about animal farming, share and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.